Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. We are starting back south from Northumberland. We are now in Lancashire in the Forest of Bowland, checking out Hatchbrook Waterfall. Let's hope this isn't a letdown like some of these other waterfalls have been. But I'm looking forward to seeing this one. It is an absolutely beautiful day, as you can see. It is cold though. I woke up to a couple of degrees above freezing this morning. I was toasty warm in my car, but man, it made it hard to get out. So let's go check out this waterfall. Alright, so we just come down the road a little ways, and look at this beautiful little creek behind us. This is the source of the waterfall. The waterfall is just below us, but I'm not seeing the trail to get down there, so we're going to have to go look for it. But I think it's supposed to be on the other side, to be fair. Nice and muddy too. So we're just coming back up to the waterfall after battling some pretty gnarly mud. Definitely not wearing the right shoes for this, but whatever. It's okay. But I can hear it. I think it's just around this corner. Let's just hope we don't sink in the mud. Other than Ashkill Falls, the best waterfall we've seen so far. That was slightly more of a cascade than a waterfall per se, but Patchbrook Waterfall. Worth the hike to get in here, despite the mud. Well, I think that set us up nicely for the day. Set us up for the next waterfall, which is Roddlesworth waterfall just down the road. So we're gonna go check that out, and hopefully we can find that one and that it's just as dramatic as this one. Very cool. Very happy I came and did this. Bring good boots. Well, it seems like we ended up in the wrong spot. I thought the Google Maps direction was taking us in one way to a certain road. Guess it wasn't. Guess it was taking us to a different road. So we're going to have to go back and unfortunately park on the big main A road, which I wasn't a huge fan of. But I guess if that's what we got to do, that's what we got to do to find this waterfall. Well, hopefully we found the right path. to the waterfall. We're right along the creek, so that bodes well, and I know that the path is supposed to follow alongside the creek. But I tell you, this road to park on and get the dogs out is a little bit hairy scary. There's not much place to park, and there's even less to get dogs out. Sun is beautiful, the colours on the ground with these red leaves are absolutely stunning, but what is really sad and what's really frustrating, we're on a footpath here, which means you shouldn't have any horses and you shouldn't have any bikes, and unfortunately bikes have come along here and absolutely destroyed this trail. It's making it very difficult to walk along. As if it wasn't bad enough being muddy, we got to now deal with the worst part of it. Oh, there's a small waterfall. I don't know if this is it, but that's quite cool. Hold on, let's just see if we can get around and get a better view of this. What? It's not very big, but that's okay. This is a beautiful gorge. Almost fell in right there, but that's besides the point. We're heading back. So this was a very short but sweet video about 2 waterfalls, just fulfilling a need of not having seen waterfalls except for Ashgill Forest. Man, this is just stunning. Look at this, up behind me. I don't know if you can catch it with the sun on the lens, but so that's Roddlesworth Falls. We are gonna head back to the car, but as always guys, take care and thanks for watching.